Verifying your Tidal account is essential to ensure you have full access to its features and services. Follow these steps to complete the verification process. Step 1. Open the Tidal app or website. Launch the Tidal app on your device or go to the Tidal website on your browser. Make sure you are logged into your account. Step 2. Access account settings. Navigate to your account settings. This is usually found by clicking on your profile icon or name, typically located in the top corner of the app or website. Step 3. Find verification options. Look for the verification section within your account settings. This may be labeled as account verification or security settings. Step 4. Enter required information. Follow the prompts to enter any required information for verification. This may include confirming your email address, phone number, or payment details. Step 5. Confirm verification. After submitting the necessary information, check your email or phone for a verification link or code. Click the link or enter the code to complete the verification process. Once you have completed these steps, your Tidal account should be verified. Enjoy streaming your favorite music.